Welcome back 100 words for 100 days. Learning a lot of words in one day, that won't help for you ever. But a word per day, I'm sure this will enrich your communication style. In that case, we all have been going through some expressions to speak as an English native speaker. In that way, today we are going to learn an expression is getting hitched. It means conjoin, join together. But as an expression, this word give a beautiful meaning. Indirectly, this word means the pathetic situation of the 90s kids. This is being merely a dream for 90s kids. Let's move on. I'm Ithaya. This is a literary test. As usual, I'm gonna show you an example. I want you all to listen it and guess. My friend and his fiancée are getting hitched next month, and then they are going for a month-long honeymoon to Shimla. I hope you have guessed it. The meaning of get hitched or getting hitched means you are going to marry someone else. For example, have you heard? Harry and Maria are getting hitched this weekend. We call it in other words by tying a knot. Getting hitched and tying a knot have the similar meaning. For example, it's been 25 years since we tied a knot. I hope you all are get along this word right now very well. I will meet you with the new word in next video. Till then,